Hello everyone, welcome to Code Cafe. I'm Shreya and today I'll show you how to integrate Signeasy with Node.js to digitally sign the documents. Signeasy offers a very detailed documentation that you can go through if you want to as well. In this project, I'll show you how to upload the document, fetch the embedded link and sign the document, and finally download the document along with the certificate. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into it. This is the project. Let's look at the folder structure first. So here we have controllers, model, routes, and config.env and server.js file. The server.js file is a pretty basic file that just imports all the required packages. Let me first install all of them. I'll just open my terminal and add a package.json file. I'll simply install all the required packages. Okay, now that all the packages are installed, let's just add a few environment variables in the config.env file. Alright, I'd already created a model of the document. So the document consists of a billing ID, amount, original ID, pending ID, and signed ID will be received from the Signeasy API. And X and Y are the coordinates of the signature. That is where you want the signature on the document to be. You can hard code it or you can take it as an input, totally up to you. Let's start by creating a controller. Let's name it as doc.js. So firstly, we'll be needing a function to upload the original documents. Okay. According to the Signeasy API, we need the options to be like this, that is containing a method, the URL, and the headers. I'll come back on this Signeasy access token in a minute. Next, we'll be needing the form data. For this, we'll be making use of Multer. Lastly, we need a name and rename if the file already exists. That is, if a file with the same name already exists in the Signeasy platform, so it could just rename it. Don't add the file name here. We don't need anything here. Now we'll be sending a request. So for that, we'll be making use of request. One thing that we'll be needing is to update. So the ID we get from the Signeasy API is the original ID, and we are just setting it here. Let's just first import the required modules. I'll quickly create one function to add the document. So we have created the function to upload the document. Let's just save it and create a route. Since we are uploading a file, we'll also be making use of Multer. I'll have to include the code here. And I'll just create a uploads folder. Okay, we're all set to test the API. But first we need a Signeasy access token to work with. And before that, I think I've forgotten to include this. Right. To be able to use the routes, we need to include them. You can simply go to developer.signeasy.com and log in with your Google account or email. Create a new app. Let's name it as, make sure you check all the permissions that you need. For now, I'll be checking all of them. I'll just click on generate access token here, copy the token and paste it in the VS Code. I'll quickly set a few things up in Postman. All right, let's start by adding a document. I'll just pass the ID of the document as present in MongoDB. So you can see that the file got uploaded successfully. And in MongoDB here we can see all the details that got saved along with the original ID. In the next video, we'll see how to fetch the link and download the signed document along with the certificate. Thanks for watching.